LifeWorks was created to provide a pathway to self-sufficiency for youth and young adults who are facing the most difficult challenges. The organization was the result of a 1998 merger of 4 well-established youth and family service organizations to create a continuum of support, including housing, counseling, education, and youth development. Today, LifeWorks serves more than 6,000 Central Texas families annually through 20 different programs. LifeWorks' most important objective is to measurably increase the self-sufficiency of the youth and families we serve. We do this by developing individualized service plans that involve all key elements of self-reliance, including affordable and stable housing, counseling, education, and workforce training. LifeWorks has a culture of energy and innovation. We are continually piloting new approaches to programming for youth with the most severe challenges: teen pregnancy, homelessness, a lifetime spent in the foster care system. And we're evaluating what works and what yields the most return on investment. In this way, we operate like a business. It is essential that our donors and stakeholders know that they are investing in services that are both innovative and cost-effective. Two key commitments make LifeWorks effective. First, our service philosophy is strength-based and client-centered. Everyone who walks through our door is treated with dignity and viewed in terms of their potential. The second is the portfolio of service options that clients have when they come to LifeWorks. They may engage in one program or several, whatever is needed to take them to their goals. At LifeWorks, we do not shy away from data. We embrace it. It is only by critically examining our performance as an organization that we continually improve. LifeWorks measures the impact of every service. For example, 87% of youth in our housing programs leave to stable living situations. Of teen mothers served, only 7% experience a repeat pregnancy, compared to the national average of 23%. At LifeWorks, our core clients are young parents, youth aging out of the foster care system, and runaway and homeless youth. There are many misperceptions of these youth and many debilitating labels associated with them. What is often overlooked or misunderstood is the significant trauma experienced by a youth living on the street or a young adult who has lived in 40 foster care placements. What's also misunderstood are the powerful strengths that they have developed as individuals as a result of their resolve to survive. LifeWorks' philosophy of accepting people where they are and developing them in terms of their strengths helps engage youth in a pathway to a future that is far different from the ones others may have painted for them. Over the last 15 years, LifeWorks has nearly doubled the size and scope of programs and established 3 community-based resource centers to serve youth and families in crisis. Additionally, we have established a full continuum of housing support for youth, including street outreach, emergency shelter, transitional living, supportive housing, and a young moms and baby shelter. LifeWorks is one of the only local organizations to have achieved and maintained accreditation from the Council on Accreditation for Services to Children and Families. Each of LifeWorks' 20 programs, ranging from shelter to workforce development, depends on anchors of multi-year public funding supplemented by philanthropy. The diversity of funding ensures program stability. However, the large number of public contracts entails complex sets of regulatory requirements, outcome expectations, and highly specific contract requirements. As a result, we have to be single-minded in our commitment to the most important outcome we want our organization to achieve: self-sufficiency for our clients. One of our most significant goals as an organization is to increase the amount of foundation and unrestricted dollars that support our mission so we can ensure our ability to turn on a dime when our clients and our data tell us that we can do more and do better. Nationally, less than 3% of youth who age out of foster care graduate from college. They face enormous challenges with stable housing, mental health, and workforce attainment. LifeWorks is launching a model workforce development program that will specifically address the challenges of youth who are aging out of the foster care system. Additional resources would help us establish a model that has the potential to dramatically impact the workforce outcomes for youth who are aging out of foster care. It is estimated that 25% of foster care youth will be homeless 2 to 6 months after turning 18. The numbers get larger as the youth get older because of the inability to hold steady employment. We believe that if we can increase our capacity to house and support these youth, then we will ultimately impact Austin's struggle with adult chronic homelessness. In addition to our shelters and group home, we are currently building an apartment complex to address this need. But the reality is that we could easily double our capacity based on the need. Our goal is to ensure that all struggling youth have a period of stable housing, of security, that allows them to engage in the services and education they need to become self-reliant.